South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me? Feel us. West Coast, feel me? Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me? West Coast, feel me? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just doing a quick and easy version on how I like to do my wash and goes. So I'm starting out with freshly washed hair. Although this looks a bit frizzy, I did leave it in my towel for a long time, so that's why it looks like this. But now I'm just parting this into smaller sections just to make it more easier to manage, since my hair has gotten a lot thicker and frizzier. So now I'm just taking my spray bottle and I'm just drenching my hair with some water just to add a little bit of moisture back into my hair. I'm finger detangling my hair, and I'm also going to split my hair in half. So for creams, I'm just going to be using the Eden Curl Defining Cream. And this is one of my favorite creams I like to use when doing a wash and go. It's just really thick, but it also gives me that definition and the hold that I like in a defining cream. So I'm just going to rake this all throughout this little section right here. So now I'm adding in water back into this section just to finger detangle my hair a little bit better with this curl defining cream. Moving on to the Lotta Body Curl Defining Mousse. This has really changed the game for my hair recently. I borrowed it from my roommate one time, and ever since then I've been in love, so I had to get another one. And this has worked really well for my hair so far, and honestly it kind of changed the game with my curl pattern, especially since I re-dyed my hair again. My curl pattern kind of fell off a little bit, but with this mousse it kind of just gives it that definition and a really nice hold. As you guys can tell, there's a huge difference from the section that we just worked on to the one I'm about to work on now. So since my hair has gotten a little bit thicker, I'm pretty much just doing the same thing to the back, but I'm also going to finger detangle as well as get my brush and detangle my hair as well, just so it can be a lot more defined in the back and it won't be as frizzy. My hair in the back has gotten a little bit more thicker as well as a little bit more frizzier. So I like to pay a little bit more attention to the back. Even though this is like a quick and easy version of how I do my wash and goes, I still like to pay attention to my hair so it can last a long time. Now I'm just kind of like raking my hair up so it can be a little bit more defined, but these are the first two sections that are done. So now moving on to the next section in the back, I'm doing the same thing, just adding in the curl defining cream, detangling my hair, adding in some water, and I'm also adding in the mousse to add a little bit more definition to my hair. Alright you guys, so we're working with the top section now, and I'm just going to split this section in half. I'm pretty much doing the same thing, but I am detangling this section specifically because my hair has changed a lot since I dyed it and flat ironed it. My curls have changed a lot, so I want my curls to pop out a little bit more. I want them to look good because this is what people see first, is the front of your hair. So I'm going into detangling my hair just to allow my curls to pop a little bit more, and I'm just pretty much doing this for this section and my last section as well. I'm just spritzing it with some water just to make sure that it's drenched, like soaking wet. And I'm going to add in my curling cream just to make sure my hair is really moisturized. And as you guys can tell, my curls are not curling up at first on my top section because my curls have changed on my top area. But when I detangle and add in the mousse, that's when it starts to just kind of get those curls to form and go back into my hair. I like to scrunch my hair up in the front as well, just so my curls can like really pop and be defined. And now moving on to some Eco Styler gel. I like to use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I just kind of use the praying hands method to kind of allow my hair to be a little bit more defined. I only use a little bit of gel because I don't want my hair to be too weighed down, but this gel really helps my hair to be more defined. And I also like to add it on top of my hair to kind of lay down my hair really nicely, and to also get rid of the frizz on top of my hair. So this is what my hair looks like when it is 100% wet. My curls are still looking good. They're looking fine. It's really moisturized. Even though this is like a lazier version of me doing my wash and goes, my curls are still looking good. And this is my day 2 hair. This is what my hair looks like. As you guys can tell, my curls are really defined, really moisturized. The only thing is that I have a little bit of frizz at the top. So what I like to do is take my mousse and just take a little bit and just lay it down on top of my hair just so it can lay down the frizz. And so my hair can last a little bit longer. I also like to put a little bit of mousse on a few sections that I thought that my curls just needed a little bit more curl definition too. So I just added to my curls a little bit just so it can allow it to be more defined and last a little longer. But other than that, this is what my hair looks like. It looks really nice. I honestly love my little lazy wash and goes because it really does not even take that long, and my hair still lasts as long as it would when I do my regular wash and goes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Brian Little.